Hi, I'm Yvonne from Noodle Factory, one of the co-founders, and with me is Jim as well. And we're really excited to start 2024 with this special occasion. Partnerships are going to be a key part of our growth and reach for Noodle Factory, and we really are very excited to welcome Kolibri Education as part of our Noodler family. So thank you for sharing our passion in using AI to enhance teaching and learning, and we really look forward to a great partnership and growing together.
Yes, thank you very much, Yuan and Jim. It's a great pleasure to making collaboration with you. Being a partner of Noodle Factory is a great honor for us and a great step in teaching and digital technologies, educational technologies in Turkey and around Turkey. Right now, everyone is talking about AI, but making an action and creating a solution, that's a really great. And thank you for Noodle Factory. You made a great product and a solution, let's say, uh, for the institutions, educational schools, all the institutions related with the technology looking for AI solution, they will have a great solution with your help and production. Thank you very much.
And Jim, I still remember it was about 9 months ago, almost to the day, that we met at the BET Education Show in London. And you came by our booth and we had just a great chat, got to know each other there. And it's been fantastic getting to know you and the team over the last 9 months, getting to know about your business and how you engage your customers in Turkey and your interest in business really across the Middle East as well as Turkey. And that process, I think, has allowed us to find different points of connection in the partnership. And I'm really looking forward to what the future holds for all of us.
Yeah, 2024 will be our year.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember our chat in bed with the gym, and I really impressed all these booths, all the stands, and then I just realized how valuable is the noodle factory. And after I chat with Jim, I said, okay, this is the what we are looking for. It's very futuristic and very innovative. Thank you very much.
And I still have that brochure that you handed me as well, because I thought the content that you have and the value and the content that you've created and what you've pulled together and what you're offering to your clients really, it seemed to fit so nicely when we had that conversation. And I think we've started to see some of that come together now as we're demoing and going and looking for customers together. So all good things in the future.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so thank you for the signed agreement. Yes, so I have with me the signed agreement. I wish I could do this in person.